Welcome back to MHC Molecule Series. This is episode 2. I am Dr. Kalpna Rakholiya and today we are going to discuss about class of MHC molecule. This is the overview of MHC class. There is a three kind of MHC molecule: MHC class 1, MHC class 2 and MHC class 3. MHC class 1 and MHC class 2 involve in presentation of antigen peptide to the T cell, while in case of MHC class 3 does not involve in antigen presentation. Let's discuss in detail about the MHC class 1. MHC class 1 found almost in all nucleated cell like liver, kidney cell, muscle cell and epithelial cell, but does not found in RBC cell because RBC does not contain the mature RBC, not contain the nucleus. These are the different genes which are encoded for MHC class 1. This MHC class 1 represent the peptide of the intracellular antigen or endogenous antigen. Those antigen which are present inside the cell, like a viral protein, tumor protein, intracellular bacteria like Rickettsia, chlamydia. Here are the example. For example, COVID-19 virus, tuberculosis. Generally, they are extracellular, but when they are in intracellular stage, at that time, here MSC class 1 represent their peptide. So here you can see here structure of the peptide binding group. Here you can see that alpha between the alpha 1 and alpha 2 group, peptide antigen peptide is bind, and that will represent to the T cytotoxic cell having the CD positive receptor, and after the interaction CD8 positive receptor release the perforin granzyme and prevent the spread of infection, and it destroy the cell by the apoptosis process. So this is the, you can see here example. This is the virus infected cell or cancerous cell. All we all know this, all nucleated cell express the MSC class 1 protein, and that this cell process, and that MSC class 1 molecule represent the protein antigen peptide protein on the cell surface that will recognize by T cytotoxic cell with the interaction of the CD8 positive receptor, and it will kill the target cell or virus infected cell, cancerous cell. Now let's discuss about MHC class 2 that are present only on the professional antigen presenting cell like a dendritic cell, macrophage and B cell, B lymphocyte, right? These are the specialized for the antigen presentation. These are the gene which are encoded for the MHC class 2 protein. Which kind of antigen they express to the T helper cell, here exogenous pathogen or extracellular antigen, those antigen which are come from the outside of the, for example, bacteria, toxin, parasite, foreign proteins, for example, typhoid that is caused by Salmonella typhi and Vibrio cholerae peptide, which will represented by MSC class 2 protein. Here you can see that in between the alpha 1 and beta 2 binding group, peptide chain is represented to the T helper cell having the CD4 positive receptor. After interaction, this T helper cell will be secrete the cytokine, activate macrophage, activating B cell, and ultimately B cell produce plasma cell, and plasma cell secrete the antibody. So basically we called as a important for the humoral immunity. This is the MSC class 3, which does not involve in presentation of antigen, but it's a role in immunological study, like it involve in regulation of inflammatory response like tumor necrosis factor alpha, beta. It activate the complement system like complement protein 2 and complement protein 4. It also support the innate immunity. So here you can see that there is a different and MCQ question. You have to give me answer into the comment box, take the screenshot and give me the answer into the comment box. This Thank you very much for watching this episode.